In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge Gmail accounts the smart way. Now, technically, Google does not let you directly merge two Gmail accounts into one single account. But the good news is, you can consolidate everything so one inbox becomes your main hub. That means forwarding your old emails, importing your old mail and contacts, and setting up send mail as so you can manage both accounts from one place. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is decide which Gmail account will be your primary account. This is the account you'll keep using going forward. Your secondary account is the one you want to move data from. Once you've made that decision, open your browser and go to mail.google.com while signed into the old Gmail account. This is important because you need to make the changes from the account that will be forwarding messages. Once Gmail opens, look in the top right corner and click the settings gear icon, then click See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings menu where all the account options are stored. From here, click the tab labeled Forwarding and POP/IMAP. This is the section that lets you move mail out of the old account and into your primary inbox. Now click Add a forwarding address. A pop-up will appear asking you to enter the Gmail address of your primary account. Type it carefully and make sure there are no mistakes because this is where all your forwarded mail will go. After that, Gmail will ask for confirmation. Google sends a verification email to your primary inbox, so switch over to your primary account and open that email. Click the confirmation link or code so Gmail knows you approved the forwarding connection. After the address is verified, go back to the old Gmail account and return to forwarding and POP/IMAP. Now enable forward a copy of incoming mail. This tells Gmail to automatically send new incoming messages from the old account to the primary one. You can choose what happens to the original message too. For example, you can keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, mark it as read, archive it, or delete it, depending on how you want to organize things. In most cases, leaving a copy in the inbox or archiving it is the safest option while you're transitioning. Once that's set, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. From this point on, any new emails sent to the old Gmail account will start appearing in your primary inbox automatically. That alone already makes managing both accounts much easier. Next, let's talk about importing old emails and contacts. This is the part that helps you bring your previous data into one place. In your primary Gmail account, go to Settings and look for the Accounts and Import section. From there, you can use Gmail's built-in options to import mail and contacts from the old account. If the import option is available for your setup, follow the prompts to connect the old account and begin the transfer. This may take some time depending on how many emails and contacts you have. It's also a good idea to set up send mail as, so you can send messages from your primary inbox using your old Gmail address when needed. That way, if someone still recognizes or relies on the old email address, you can continue using it without constantly switching accounts. You'll find this option in the same accounts and import area. Add the old Gmail address, verify it, and then choose whether replies should come from the address that received the message or from your default primary account. Once everything is configured, test it. Send a message to your old Gmail address and make sure it arrives in your primary inbox. Then try replying and check that the sender address behaves the way you want. This quick test helps you confirm that forwarding is working properly and that your accounts are effectively consolidated. And that's the key thing to remember. You cannot truly merge Gmail accounts into one account, but you can absolutely make one account act like the central hub. With forwarding, importing, and send mail as, you can manage everything from one place without losing access to your old data. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.